Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW. If you have a BMW and if you want to know, do I need new disc brake rotors? Stay with us, we'll explain that today. We'll talk if you need new disc brake rotors because of the thickness. Do you need new rotors when you're replacing brake pads? All that will be covered in this video today guys. There is no need to waste your money unless you have to replace them. Stay with us and we're going to talk about that as we go. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have here specifically, we have guys a BMW X4, but it's built on the X3 platform practically. We're going to talk about this one now, but many of them will use exactly the same design. This is a disc rotor. We'll be putting new brake pads. You can see we got them here. The old pads are pretty worn guys. You can see they're worn to the point that the brake sensor was about to activate, so we're replacing them. But you wonder, do I need new disc rotor? Let's first talk about the fact that if you're replacing brake pads guys, you will need to either replace the rotor with a new one, or you will need an old rotor, the old disc, to have it resurfaced. What they do, they put it on a machine where they cut a top layer off of each side. They remove the grooves, they make it nice and straight disc again, because the disc eventually will have some wear and tear, it will have grooves, it will have high and low spots, which can cause brake pulsation and brake vibration easily as well. So by having it cut, the new parts will see it correctly as well. But not every time guys your disc is thick enough to be cut, and we're going to talk about that before we start. Another thing, you will need to guys replace your rotor. In other cases we're going to talk when as well. So the thickness will be the first indicator, okay? And somewhere on the rotor guys, usually right here, let's turn it somewhere. We keep turning it, okay, perfect. We're going to find right here that says minimum thickness. Ours guys says 26.4 millimeters minimum thickness. On some BMWs it will be stamped right here, so you might need to get a little bit of sandpaper. If you have quite a bit of corrosion, sand it and see if it's stamped there as well. We're going to get our measuring caliper here, reset it, zero it, open, close. Now what we have guys, okay, 28 is ours. Minimum 26.4. So we're still good guys. Okay, ours is still good. But when you may need a new caliper, first, when replacing the brakes, you either replace it or resurface it. Second, if you have brake pulsation, it's really wrapped, you will need to replace it. Sometimes resurfacing will not fix it because the minimum thickness will not be enough. Another thing, if you have visual cracks on your rotor, okay, and stress marks, you will need to replace it. Definitely guys, if your rotor is discolored in some cases, you have low and high spots when it's wrapped, okay, that can actually cause one part of it to be heated more than other one, and that can cause damage to it and eventually lead to stress marks as well, so replace it. But I'll recommend when you're doing brakes, unless yours is in really good condition, have it resurfaced, but otherwise just replace it with a new set guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.